You've cut down on fried foods. You've exercised. Maybe you've even tried medications. But your cholesterol just won't budge. Sound familiar? Here's the problem. Most people are trying to lower cholesterol the hard way and still ending up with clogged arteries, high LDL, and poor heart health. And here's the shocking part. What if the secret to naturally lower your bad cholesterol fast was sitting in your kitchen all along? One simple ingredient. Ginger. Yes, the same spice you toss into a stir-fry might be the exact natural remedy your heart needs. But is it all hype, or is there real science behind it? Let's challenge the mainstream belief and look at how you could lower cholesterol with ginger, one simple ingredient. In today's video, we're diving deep into ginger and cholesterol, exploring whether this root can naturally lower your bad cholesterol and support overall heart health. We'll break down the research, cover how to use ginger to control cholesterol, and reveal 4 powerful effects it may have on blood cholesterol levels. And here's the twist. One of these effects might actually surprise you, because it works without touching your diet or exercise routine. So stay with me till the end, because if you've been searching for ways to lower cholesterol naturally without statins, this may be the game changer you've been waiting for. 1. Ginger reduces LDL bad cholesterol levels. You've been told that the only way to lower LDL cholesterol is through strict dieting and long-term medication. But let's be honest, for many, these don't bring the results we're promised. And the side effects? No thank you. Herbs and spices like ginger don't actually affect cholesterol. That's what most people believe. A study published in Phytotherapy Research found that just 3 grams of ginger daily for 45 days significantly reduced LDL levels in participants. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shogaol that block cholesterol absorption in the liver and may enhance bile production, which helps eliminate excess cholesterol. So yes, you can lower cholesterol with one simple ginger ingredient. But just how powerful is ginger at reducing LDL compared to standard cholesterol medications? We'll break that down later in the video, and you might be surprised by the comparison. 2. Ginger increases HDL good cholesterol. You may have lowered your total cholesterol, but your HDL, the good kind that clears arteries, remains stubbornly low. Raising HDL is nearly impossible without intense workouts or expensive supplements. That's what most people believe. Research shows that regular ginger intake not only lowers LDL, but raises HDL cholesterol too, the kind that protects your heart from inflammation and plaque buildup. That's right, the ginger and blood cholesterol levels link goes both ways. It reduces the bad and raises the good. A true balancing act using just one simple ginger ingredient. But how does ginger specifically stimulate your HDL levels? And how long does it take to see real changes? We'll reveal the science-backed timeline later in this video. 3. Ginger fights inflammation linked to high cholesterol. Many people don't realize that high cholesterol isn't just about fatty food. Chronic inflammation makes your body produce more cholesterol as a defense mechanism. Lowering inflammation has nothing to do with cholesterol control. That's what most people believe. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory root that lowers key markers like CRPC reactive protein, one of the hidden triggers for cholesterol spikes. That's why people who consume ginger regularly not only experience improved lipid profiles, but also fewer inflammatory flare-ups, especially in the arteries. This is one of the most underrated ways to lower cholesterol naturally. Fight the inflammation at the root. But which form of ginger is most effective at reducing cholesterol causing inflammation? Raw, powder, or extract? We'll reveal the best method later in this video. If you're finding this information helpful so far, especially learning how to lower cholesterol naturally without relying on medication, go ahead and hit that like button. It lets us know you want more videos on natural remedies like ginger to support your heart health and lower bad cholesterol fast. 4. Ginger may inhibit cholesterol production in the liver. Your body makes cholesterol, even when your diet is clean. In fact, 80% of cholesterol is made in your liver. That's why some people have high levels no matter what they eat. Only prescription drugs like statins can stop your liver from making too much cholesterol. That's what most people believe. Animal and cell studies suggest that compounds in ginger can inhibit the enzyme HMG-CoA reductase, the same one targeted by statins, but without the side effects. This makes ginger a powerful natural option to lower cholesterol fast, working from inside your body's production system, not just through digestion. So if you've wondered how to lower cholesterol naturally without statins, ginger could be your go-to remedy. But how does ginger's action on your liver compare to that of statins? And can it really replace them? We'll explain the surprising truth in just a moment. Alright, we've uncovered some surprising truths about how this one simple ginger ingredient could be your secret weapon to lower cholesterol naturally. But now it's time to answer the burning questions we left you with. You've probably been wondering, just how effective is ginger at reducing LDL? Can it really boost HDL levels like they say? Which form of ginger works best for cholesterol-related inflammation? And can ginger truly support your liver the same way statins do? Let's break it all down, clearly and simply, so you know exactly how to use ginger to control cholesterol and take control of your heart health the natural way. 1. How powerful is ginger at reducing LDL compared to standard cholesterol medications? While ginger isn't as instantly potent as prescription statins, it offers a natural and safer long-term strategy. Studies show that daily doses of 2 to 3 grams of ginger can lower LDL by up to 17%, especially when combined with a balanced diet. While it won't replace statins in severe cases, it's a promising supportive remedy to lower bad cholesterol fast naturally, with zero medication side effects. Know someone struggling with high cholesterol or relying too much on meds? Share this video with them. It could be the natural solution they've been looking for. One simple ginger ingredient might be all it takes to start turning their heart health around. Let's help more people naturally lower their cholesterol together. 2. How does ginger specifically stimulate your HDL levels? And how long does it take to see real changes? Ginger contains antioxidant compounds like zingerone and gingerols that improve lipid metabolism and enhance the liver's ability to produce HDL, the clean-up crew of your bloodstream. Clinical trials show that noticeable improvements in HDL can be seen in 8 to 12 weeks of consistent ginger consumption. It's a natural way to support your heart health over time. 3. Which form of ginger is most effective at reducing cholesterol-causing inflammation, raw, powder, or extract? All three forms have benefits, but standardized ginger extract in capsule or supplement form appears to be most effective at targeting inflammation-related cholesterol spikes. It offers higher concentrations of active compounds, making it ideal for measurable results. However, fresh raw ginger and ginger powder still contribute to lower CRP levels and improve cholesterol, especially when consumed daily. If you're serious about lowering cholesterol naturally and boosting your heart health without meds, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got more science-backed tips, natural remedies, and powerful food strategies coming your way every week. 4. How does ginger's action on your liver compare to statins? And can it really replace them? Ginger naturally inhibits HMG-CoA reductase, the same enzyme targeted by statins, but in a gentler and slower manner. It doesn't carry the side effects of muscle pain, liver toxicity, or fatigue that statins often do. While it's not a full replacement for those with extremely high cholesterol, ginger can be a powerful natural aid to those looking to reduce cholesterol fast and prevent clogged arteries over time, without relying solely on medication. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried using ginger to manage your cholesterol levels? Did it help? Or are you just starting to consider it as part of your health routine? Let's get the conversation going. Comment below and share your experience or questions about ginger and cholesterol. Now that you know how to lower cholesterol with one simple ginger ingredient. You're probably thinking, what else can I do to drop my numbers fast and naturally? That's exactly what we cover in our next video. Lower cholesterol in just 30 days without medication. If you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, or confused by what really works, this is the step-by-step plan you've been waiting for. Discover what to eat, what to avoid, and the daily habits that are helping thousands of people just like you naturally lower their bad cholesterol without ever touching a pill. Click on that video now and start your 30-day transformation to a healthier heart today.